I'm Haddad, a professional YouTuber, and the voice you are hearing right now was recorded using just an old phone. How is this possible? Well, today I will guide you through the steps to achieve high quality voiceovers without spending any money. This is the best method if you are just starting out on YouTube or if you have a small channel without any equipment. I discovered this method when I started this channel. Back then, I had no money for equipment, so I was forced to find a way to record voiceovers. You have to know that a human voice is very important because it creates a connection between you and your audience. So if you want to build a strong community, you will have to use your voice. And I have a gift for you, but we talk about that later in this video. After recording your voiceover in a quiet place, the first step is to go to Google and search for podcast.adobe.com/enhance. I have to tell you that this is just the first step and won't give you the best results, and I will leave the link in the description for this site. Then you will click on choose files and you will select your voiceover. Wait for the enhancer to do its job and then download the result. The second step is to launch Adobe Premiere Pro. If you don't have Adobe, I will show you a version for DaVinci Resolve later in this video. Drag your voiceover in. This is my voice before Adobe Podcast. This is my voice with Adobe Podcast. Head on the effects panel and search for parametric equalizer. Add the effect to your audio. Now move into the effects control panel and press edit. Click on the presets button and select vocal enhancer. Then close this tab and search for the single band compressor effect. Now into the effect control panel, click edit for the single band effect. Click on the presets button and select voice thickener. Then push the output gain until your voice sounds good. After that, drag in another parametric equalizer effect. Hit edit and adjust the heights until the voice sounds good. This is my voice before Adobe Podcast. This is my voice with Adobe Podcast. And this is my voice after doing the settings in Premiere. Now, to make the job easier for the next time, you can select the effects and save them as a preset. I will name it Create Audio No Joke Pro. And if you subscribe to my email list, you will get this preset sent to you by mail, so it will save you a lot of time. Moving into DaVinci Resolve. This is my voice before Adobe Podcast. This is my voice with Adobe Podcast. After you've imported your audio, the first step is to normalize audio levels. So you will right click on your audio, press Normalize Audio Levels, and select this one with the 4 at the end. Set your target level to -3 and target loudness to -15 and then press on Normalize. The next step is to fix the vocal channel. Press the plus from the effects panel of your mixer, select Channel and then press the vocal channel. Here you will enable the high pass and set the frequency around 135. Now you will select this icon and grab this band. Move it around the number 6. This will make your voice sound deeper. Then select this icon and move this around number 6 as well. Next step is to turn the compressor on and set the threshold around -20. Put the ratio around 5 and let's see how it sounds. This is the audio with Adobe Podcast and DaVinci Resolve settings. This sounds really great, but we are not done yet. We will save this as a preset to save us time in the future. Next step is going into the effects and select dynamics and limiter. You have to preview your audio. This is the audio with Adobe Podcast and DaVinci Resolve settings. The key here is to connect the voiceover from the downside with the blue line from the middle. By increasing the ceiling, you will increase your voiceover to match the blue line. Now this is the final version. This is my voice before Adobe Podcast. This is my voice with Adobe Podcast. This is the audio with Adobe Podcast and DaVinci Resolve settings. We will save this as a preset as well to save us time in the future. Wait, don't leave, because you've kept watching until now. I have a surprise gift for you. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. I know that you are struggling to grow your YouTube channel and I have prepared my first free pack for you. If you subscribe to my email list, you'll get more than 30 transition sound effects to objects like typewriting tool and social media sound effects. All of them are more than 100 sound effects, all of this for free, so what are you waiting for? Besides that, I have to tell you that I'm working on my PNG pack and on more free packs that I will give you if you are subscribed to my email list. And if you want a tutorial on how to use these sound effects, leave a comment down below and I will create this video for you. So until the next video, good luck on using my free sound effects pack to get your videos to the next level.